If you're not able to join any game on Roblox, follow the simple steps. First, you need to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Roblox Player or Roblox application on your mobile device. If the app is not working, you can go ahead and open the official website of Roblox in any of your web browser, then log into your account and try to launch a game and see if that works. If not, you can go ahead, see if your network or internet connection is working properly. Try disconnecting and connecting it again, or you can just turn off your router and turn it back on. Sometimes the problem can be caused due to the access cache and files. So tap on this three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then go to settings. From the settings menu, go to privacy and security, and then go to delete browsing data. Select the time range and then select cached images and files, then tap on delete data. Once done, come back and try launching any game or playing and see if that works. If not, sometimes the Roblox might have problem on its own end, so go ahead and search for Roblox status server. Let's go to downdetector.com, and here you'll be able to find out whether the fault is on the Roblox itself or on your device. If nothing else works, go ahead, open Add or Remove Programs on your computer. From here, simply locate the Roblox application, then tap on it, and then tap on Uninstall, and tap on OK to confirm. Then go to its official website and install the latest version of Roblox on your computer. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.